Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. What I want to do with this video is show you a strategy, a trading strategy that's fairly easy to follow. It's keeping it simple. I posted a trade signal into our Discord group last night. I'll just show you that quickly. It's the euro-yen sell, and we shorted around the 139 handle, just slightly under. And then followed up with take partial profits now with this screenshot, and then this screenshot a bit later on close at around the 136.50 handle. Okay, so let's go back to the charts and I want to show you the strategy. The main thing is keeping it simple. So what happens is we have these alerts that fire. These are our trade signals. And when the alert fires, you click on it, you come into the chart and you size up the situation. That's not the alert, by the way. It was somewhere down there. But the alert fires over here. You come into the chart. And it's a simple two-chart layout. I've got a 3-minute up the top and a 30-minute down the bottom. There's the alert. Does it stack up? We open up the 30-minute charts and we'll mark up the alert here. And I'll admit I actually took the trade a little bit early, and that was my choice. However, with the strategy, you're going to wait for, and let's mark this up. See this cloud here? We have a breakout of our cloud right there. I'll just bump that up. Well, we'll call it our cloud breakout from this point onwards. Okay, now I admit I did jump in a little early with this trade. That was my decision. Now, if you're trading this, here's how you can approach this. We need to see a cloud breakout on the 30-minute chart. I mean, what I did like was this head and shoulders, and we did have a breakout here. Bit of a pullback. I won't go into that, but that was what really prompted me to take this trade a little early. I like to get a discount. If you're trading the strategy as it is, you wait for the cloud breakout, and this is our point of interest right here where I've marked up the chart. Our entry was around the 39 handle, 38, 39, so around about here somewhere. I spotted this, I will admit, before this triangle. I was looking through the some of the charts, but I don't want to confuse you. Keep it simple. Wait for the breakout, and then your entry will be, if you're running with the strategy, you're looking for the range where the breakout occurred, the range high and low, and then you're simply waiting for the retest of the range low, or here actually, there, and fail. And then that's where you'd enter. Hope that makes sense. Signal fires, break out of the cloud, 30-minute chart, mark up your range, if you want to take it down to here, and then that would have been the retest of the range low right there, and then that was your trade. But that's the strategy pretty much in its simplest form. Now, have a look at the chart and you're going to see we have these yellow and orange. We actually have white lines as well. The white lines are monthly. And we have these shaded zones. The shaded zones are the indicator going back and looking for wherever the market was consolidating. It'll pick up these consolidation ranges and overlap them. And then you get these lighter colored shaded areas where there's more overlaps. So that's a stronger level. Okay, so we got resistance there. It starts to fade here, and then what we're looking for is to trade through a gap. And you can see down here it's dark with some kind of light shaded zones here. But the rest of it kind of occurs down here, and you can see it's pulling it from further back. It's not just taking that. You can see. Now the other thing we have on here are levels. There's a daily level, there's a weekly level. So this is big level of support right there where you can see all this. And so this is where we decided to exit. We're looking to trade through this dark patch, this gap. Trade through the gap, and at support, okay, take profit or exit the trade and wait for an opportunity on the pullback. So that more or less wraps up the strategy. And the trade was quite a nice outcome, something like that. And of course, as you gain some traction with it, you'll pull your stop loss down, you'll take partial profits, and trail the price with your stop loss so you're in the money. That's it. Guys, join Discord. It's absolutely free to join. Get all this stuff over here on the left. We've got tutorials, our Trader Zone, crypto trade ideas. I posted a Bitcoin idea in there yesterday. Okay, risk sentiment. The Trader Zone here is the free, and I'll post usually one a day with the video tutorial. The VIP Trader Zone is the next level. I'm posting more of my trade ideas and videos on how I'm trading my live account, which is slightly different to this. This is more of a basic strategy, whereas we go into, it's the same strategy, but we take it to the next level in the VIP Trader Zone. So, I mean, if this is something you'd like to explore, it's only $24.95. You could try it for a month. Here it is, here, my website on the store menu link over here. Shout me lunch, gain access, and see if this is for you. And then if you want to go for the 6 monthly, that's available. And then we have a 12 monthly option down here at only $14.95 a month. We've taken out the lifetime. Okay, this is the option that we have now. Guys, with that, join me in Discord, and I look forward to seeing you in here. As always, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next video.